Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide a story from someone on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Snapchat app. Then go to your Snapchat account. Now scroll down and click on My Friends. Click on your friend's name. Now go to your friend's account and click on three dots. Now you can see here privacy settings. Click on it. If you want to hide a story from this person, then turn off this button. So this is how you can hide a story from someone on Snapchat. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.